Good morning, children. Welcome to the English Grammar class, Module 3. In this class, we will learn about the use of has and have. In the previous class, you have already learned that common noun it is a general name given to the person, place, animal and a thing. Proper noun it is a special name which is given as a Sejal, Hyderabad, Jerry, Kit Kat. Singular noun means it represents a one here. Plural noun means it represents a more than one. Now let us learn about the uses of has and have. Here we can use the has and have can be as a helping verb or a main verb. Now look at these sentences here. Sheila has a car. An elephant has a trunk. Goa has a lovely beach. A table has a four legs. In these example, Sheila, elephant, Goa and table are the singular naming words or singular nouns here. Has is used when a naming word or a noun in the singular form here. That is one person, one animal, one place or a one thing here. Now look at these examples here. A giraffe has a long neck. The joker has a funny hat. A peacock has a beautiful feather. In all these examples, giraffe, joker, peacock are the singular nouns here. Hence, we have used the has. Has is also used for the singular pronouns he, she, it. For examples, he has a cap. She has a red dress. It has a long ears. Now, let us learn about the uses of a have here. Now, look at these sentences. My parents have a car. Elephants have a trunks. Many cities have a beaches. Tables have a four legs. In these examples, parents, elephants, cities, tables are the plural naming words. Have is used when a naming word is in the plural form. That is more than one person, place, animal or a thing. Now, have is also used for the plural pronouns here. I, we, you and they. Look at these examples. I have a pen. We have a car. You have a new dress. They have a toys. Has and have is also used as a doing words here that shows the belonging. That is, something belongs to someone. Now look at these examples. Nita has a bicycle. I have a many dogs. They have a big house. It means that the bicycle belongs to Nita. Many dogs belongs to me. A big house belongs to them. Has and have indicates the present tense. That is, actions happening right now. It shows the habitual actions. Now look at these examples. She has a toy car. They have a cold. Now revise. Have and has it shows the belongings. Have is used for I, we, you, they and plural nouns. Has is used for pronouns he, she, it and the singular nouns here.